Hello everybody, we are going to have somebody sing It's Raining Tacos. You might know that song, it's on YouTube like it is right now. And she's going to be singing it. So I'll tell you who's going to be singing it. Miss Daring Diva. And hello sister will sleep for some reason. Wake up, wake up. No, I don't want to. She's just so tired. Yeah, so am I gonna get started? Of course you are. Okay, good. Now let the show begin. Oh, I mean, there's the rest of the people watching. So, get started. Okay. Let me start over. It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos, raining tacos. Love the sweet tacos. So you can eat the shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yum. It's so cream. Tacos, ooh, raining tacos, ooh, raining tacos, ooh, it's raining tacos, raining tacos, ooh, tacos, ooh, raining tacos, ooh, raining tacos, raining tacos. Where is my own cat on? Sorry, everybody. Well, while that plays, bye, everybody. Make sure to thumbs up. And have a great day. Subscribe and all of that, but not sending comments. Because at one time, on one of my channels, they said a mean comment. And my mommy deleted it. So, yeah. Bye, everybody. Say bye in the no. I can't say it. Why can't I say it? I can't say it, but yeah. Bye, everybody.